Right, guys, welcome back to my channel. And my name is Wemimo, and I'm also known as That Mom of 5. Hi, everybody. So it's going to be a cooking video today, and I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my scrummy, yummy, juicy, creamy, nutty, chocolatey banana bread. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Okay? So we're going to be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 200 gram of sugar, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 full egg and half yolk, half cup of butter, this is melted already, half cup of walnut, half cup of milk chocolate chips. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 really ripe bananas to mash your bananas to do the mixing, a mixing bowl that has seen better days, of course the baking dish. And while you are getting your ingredients ready, I will recommend that you you preheat your oven right now. So I've already started with my oven preheated to 150 degrees, and I'm just going to leave that till I'm ready. Okay, so let's dive into the making. Salt, baking powder, melted butter, sugar, So I've just finished mixing this up, and I'm gonna put this in the oven at 175 degrees and bake for 45 minutes. So once it's at that mark, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay. Right, so this has been baking for about 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna poke through in with a toothpick or a barbecue stick or whatever it's called, just to check that it's fully done. So if it's wet when I bring it out, I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another 10-15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do that just now. So you can see there's no wetness or anything like that in there. I'm just gonna double check. So you can see it came out dry. Let's do another side. See, came out dry. So that's how I make my nutty milk chocolate banana bread, and I'm just going to slice this up so that you guys can have a way look of what it looks like. So I'll leave it to cool down for about 10 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes since I brought it out of the oven. So I'm just gonna, I've sliced it up a wee bit, so I'm just gonna take a wee bite. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not mushy, it's not dripping or anything, it's perfectly baked. Yeah, and I'm gonna go enjoy this with my cup of Gusto coffee. As you can see there, that's my favorite coffee there. So that's how I make my chocolatey nutty banana bread. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share it as well. My son is looking at me on this. He's looking at me at the side. I'm sure he's gonna ask for some now. Am I lying? This actually tasted really good. And when I make mine, I make sure not to add too much sugar. You know, you have to be conscious of how much sugar you eat. So, anyway, so this is the end of my banana bread making, and I hope to catch up with you in another video. Okay, bye now.